Now guys, let me show you how to set up quick replies on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. To enable this feature, we are gonna need Galaxy Wearable app. So let's launch it first. And now just go in Watch Settings, and here we need to choose General tab. And now we can see this option for quick responses. So let's tap it. And now you can manage your responses as you like. You can enable emoji responses and even add some by clicking this plus, then emojis, and here choose any you like. You can enable or disable message suggestions just by tapping this switcher. You can enable custom responses, and here you can even edit any of response just by tapping it. You can add something and save it. And if you scroll down, you'll see this option to add response. So now you can create your own response and save it. And this feature is really handy for those who are driving but wanna stay in touch with people. Just save your quick responses and use it. And that's it! Now you know how to use and set up quick replies on your Galaxy Watch 7. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.